Hello guys, I am Vivek Kumar. In this video, we are going to say about how to draw a UML diagram for the application eHostel Management System. Description: Class diagram identifies the class structure of the system, including the properties and method of each class. It specifies the various relationships that can exist between classes, such as inheritance. The class diagram is one of the most widely and used diagram for UML specification. Part of the popularity of class diagram is the fact that many case tools such as relational rows will provide clarity of the design process. Next, we're going to see about class. A class is depicted using a rectangle divided into three sections. The top section is the name of class. Middle section is defines the property of the class, and bottom section is the method of the class. Next, we're going to see about association. An association is a generic relationship between two classes and is modeled by a line connecting the two classes. This line can be qualified with the type of relationship can also feature multiplicity rules for the relationship. Next, we're going to see about composition. If a class cannot exist by itself and instead must be a member of another class, then that class has a conception relationship with the containing class. The composition relationship is indicated by a line with the filled element. We have 5 points in the composition. A strong from a aggression. The whole is the sole owner of its part. The part object may belong to only one whole. Multiplicity on the whole side must be 0 or 1. The lifetime of the part is dependent upon the whole. Next, we're going to see about dependency. Dependency is the direct relationship which is the user to show that the UML element or set of element requires need or depend on the other model element for specification or implementation. Next, we're going to see about aggression. Aggression indicates a whole part relationship and are known as a relationship. An aggregation relationship is indicated by a line with the hollow diamond. Next, we're going to see generalization. A generalization relationship is a equivalent of an inheritance relationship in object-oriented terms. A generalization relationship is indicated by an arrow with a hollow arrow head pointing to the base or parent class. Next, we're going to see about scenario of the application. The application is the hostel management system. The existing hostel management system is a manual system. A manual system is prone to error. It is a time consuming and difficult to search for hostel. Most of the hostel management are not having any existing fully computerized system. To avoid this kind of problem, hostel management system is introduced. This project is useful for any kind of hostel management to manage the hostel details, to pay the hostel fee from customer, process the hostel facilities detail, and all kind of hostel management through the online. Customer can apply and view their hostel details. The main objective of the application is to automate all the possible functionality of the hostel and provide the online hostel service to the consumer. Using the system agenda and the customer can know details about the present details and terms and conditions, etc. The system is convenient and flexible to the user. This saves the time and effort and money and resources. User friendliness is provided in the application with the various control provided by system richer user interface. And next, this is the class diagram for the application. User class, permission class, bed class, and room class, and hostel class, payment class, and allocated class. These are the class diagram for the e-hostel management system. And next, we're going to see about functionality of the classes in the used in application. Class name, user class, allows the user to enroll their biodata and biodata by the application online by the hostel application through online. Permission class allows the user to ask permission to stay in hostel by the application through online. Bed class allows the user to choose beds in hostel by the application through online. Room class allows the user to choose room in hostel by the application through online. Hostel class allows the user to choose the hostel through the online web publication. Payment class allows the user to do payment for the hostel by the application through online. Allottee class allows the allottee to enroll the validator and log in with the username and password by the hostel application through online. And this is the class diagram for the given application. E-hostel management system is done and verified. Thanks for watching.